Identity theft happens when someone steals your personal information to commit fraud, often to gain access to your money or credit. It is a serious issue that can impact your financial health, credit score, and personal security for years if left unchecked. Millions of people become victims of identity fraud annually. Understanding how it happens is the first step toward protecting yourself. Thieves use many tactics to gain access to your private data, ranging from digital hacking to simple physical theft of your mail. It is important to distinguish between simple credit card fraud and full identity theft, which is much broader and harder to resolve. The time required to resolve these issues varies significantly depending on what information the thief actually managed to steal. The most effective way to protect your credit is to place a security freeze with the 3 major credit bureaus today. Monitor your statements regularly and report any suspicious activity immediately. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your personal data.